Welcome back everyone. We are just continuing the PLM 200 book for the third lesson for creation of milestones, mass changes, various small things which we have in the third lesson, and we will implement the same in this class now. And after completion of basic explanation in this book, and we are directly going to the exercise of creation of the milestones in the existing project. We will use our earlier project what we created, T-27531 project, and we will add the milestones and various mass change functions to this project. We can open our project T27531 project here, and we will see what are the steps they have provided to create a milestone for 4000 activity. We can see the 4000 activity in below. 4000 activity is here. It's a production of running gear, bearing and valves. We need to create a milestone for this. After selecting the activity, we can directly choose the milestone from here and we can drag it to the respective activity. This is one way, and another way is we can directly double click on it, it will come to this one. And the third way is there is a milestone overview here, we can choose that and we can enter the details directly here. These three ways are used to create a milestone for a particular activity, and now we are choosing the third way to create an activity. The milestone description is partial invoice 30% and usage PS01 is the usage, and the group no need, usage, fixed date, time. We have so much of fields here, and offset. Hold on a second, here we have a little problem of choosing the number of records. We will choose the another view. We will simply choose the back button to undo our changes, and we will open the project here and we can see the thing here, the 4000 activity. For the 3000 activity we are going to create a milestone, and we selected the WBS element. We are double clicking on the WBS element. Now it's come like this. We are just providing the description and we are provided the usage, and we have chosen the sales document date checkbox and invoice percentage as 30% and offset to financial checkbox. Once it is completed, we need to hit the enter button. Hence the milestone 6068, because of already a milestone numbered 6067 is already available in another activity, hence it chooses the milestone identification number automatically from the system and is assigned as 6068. Once it is completed, we will see how the mass change function will execute in our project systems. Mass change function is a very powerful function to change a number of occurrences. As you all know that we have seen replace all button in Microsoft Word, simply selecting the finding the particular word and replacing the with particular word and choosing with scenarios, and we will choose replace button will replace each and everything from the document. As an example, we can open that WinWord application from our system directly, and we'll see how it is going to implement the same in the SAP system also. Now I'm mentioning that Gopi Krishna is a student of project system, and PS is a very good module in SAP, and SAP is the finest platform for ERP packages. Here we can see our we will see how we have the SAP word is coming 2 times here. We'll see how the replace all button is going to work. You can press Ctrl H here. It will ask find what and replace with what. SAP is going to replace with, let's say, Oracle, and there are we have a lot of options. Match particular case, file the whole word only. They are just choosing your words, and we are choosing replace all button. Once we click on this button, these 2 words will be replaced with Oracle. You can see the changes here. Module in Oracle. These are the changes. In the same way, we are changing the present system. You can see, suppose in the project definition, we just opened the project definition and we are assigning a person responsible for this project, and we are just hitting enter, and now we are coming to change. Suppose if that person is responsible for various WBS, not over the project definition, in that way also we can do the same thing. By choosing the respective WBS element, we can see the person responsible for this WBS element only 001. For this WBS element only, I am mentioning the same person as the responsible person. After completion of this, I am just saving our project. It's saved successfully, and it is mentioning that the project is being changed. After completion of this, we will see how our mass change function will execute. We can see the button here, mass, and once we need to click on that, it will open a small pop-up, and it will ask us in the project definition no fields should be selected, and in the WBS element levels, and there are some options like person responsible, and we will choose that option, and we will move to the left side hand and will choose continue. Here it will ask for the new value, and we are choosing second is the person name. Replace all occurrences. Simply choosing the person for the new value and click check on it. After completion of this, we can execute the same thing to impact in our project. I am executing now. After completion of this, the values what we provided in the, it is showing a detailed log where it is changed in the top level WBS, and in the next WBS element everything it is showing the detailed list. And once it is completed, you can see the same thing here. It's changed to 2, and it's changed to 2. You can see it's we didn't change in the project definition level, of course we changed in the WBS element level only. After completion of this, we can save our project, and it's being changed properly. And I'm just adding a few words about the mass change function. Is very powerful, and if we do some of the changes which are unbackable, that one which are undone, you are not supposed to do that, but we have to be very careful while doing the operation with mass change function, because some of the operations we can't roll back the changes. We will continue the next class about the creation of what we have in the next lesson is about planning session. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.